signal a touchdown. Quarterback keeper, but number 1, Gray quickly sniffs it out. Number 4, Jardine gets loose on a Monarch touchdown. Monarchs punch it in for a touchdown. Gray with the touchdown run. Direct snap. Gray slashes his way to another touchdown for the Cardinals. Gray cuts his way into the end zone. That'll be his 4th touchdown of the night on the ground. Gets loose again for a 51-yard touchdown run.
Yeah, I feel really good. First of all, to play against Coach Hamamoto's team, you always know they're going to be prepared, super well coached, and you saw that when they came back, especially a 98-yard drive, and they took the lead, and I loved the heart that we showed. You know, we're milling around at halftime, and it looked like the guys were going to, like, oh no. But they came out and, you know, 4 touchdowns in the second half for DeMontez Gray because of the line blocking, and, you know, it was awesome.
You know, we worked hard in practice, dedication. I couldn't do it on my line. My coaches, my great coaches, and God, that's all I got to say. I started Pop Warner playing linebacker. I was all chubby. Now I'm in high school running the ball for my team, scoring touchdowns. This is all God. Like, this is hard work and dedication for the kids out there. Work hard and stay in the books.